guys, this is quick disassembling Lenovo Ideapad 110 for upgrading your RAM or upgrading your hard disk. For disassembling you need two tools, one is a screwdriver, another one is a scabber tool. So let's do quick start. So for disassembling Lenovo Ideapad 110 you need to open 11 screws which are situated here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So let's open it. So once you are done with opening all the screws, you need a scabber tool to remove the keyboard. And you need this scabber tool. What you can do now, you have to open your keyboard. So there are a couple of locks in the keyboard. You have to open these locks carefully. So once you are done with opening your keyboard, you can just remove it. So here is your keyboard is connected to your motherboard. You need to remove it. So for removing, you can just pull out your pin and you can now see we have removed our keyboard. Let's keep our keyboard aside. Now you can see one more screw here. You need to remove this as well. So we have removed keyboard so far. Now we need to remove this panel. So we have to use the same scabber tool and let's open our panel. So please keep one thing in mind, you have to remove your CD drive before opening. So just by pulling it here. This way you can open your laptop. Here you can replace your hard disk. You need to open 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and here you can add more RAM. One RAM is on board, is integrated with the circuit, and you have one more slot. If you want to add more RAM, you can add here. So let's add one more RAM. So for adding RAM, you can just insert your chip and then you are good to go. Thank you. Thanks for watching.